The easiest way to see if the Daemen Library has access to a specific journal article is to use the SearchCat on the library homepage. Put the title of the article within quotes to search it as an exact phrase. Assuming the title of your article was entered correctly, it should appear towards the top of the results page. If the article is available through any of the library's database or journal subscriptions, you'll see either a View Full Text button or a View PDF button directly on the search results page. You can also click the title of the article to view the item details page, where you'll find the same access buttons listed in the Access Options box. If a View PDF button is provided, clicking it will take you directly to the PDF of that article. If a View Full Text button is provided, you'll be directed to the database or vendor webpage where the full text article can be accessed. If the article you're looking for isn't available through any of the library's resources, you can always request it through Interlibrary Loan by clicking on the Request this item through Interlibrary Loan button. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, please ask a librarian.